Hi, Campbell Sommerville here. We're up here in Alford Forest putting our last pass on our beet ground. We're here with our 630 Rollmax from FarmChief. Very happy with it. The job it does. It's got the largest rings in the market with also the largest axle, so it makes it very strong. The paddles there, it does a very good job of just leveling out the paddock. Nice big rams on them, so they're also, not worried about them pushing back in. Overall very happy with the product, and I'd like to thank FarmChief for sorting the product out for me.